1. Who won the women's singles title of French Open 2025? Answer is Coco Gauff. 2. Recently, Keechan Menor wetlands of which state have been added to the Ramsar sites? Answer is Rajasthan. 3. Which country will host the BRICS Summit 2026? Answer is India. 4. Which player has been chosen as the WTA, Women's Tennis Association, Player of the Year 2024? Answer is Aryna Sabalenka. 5. Who has been honored with the prestigious 2024 Sastra Ramanujan Prize? Answer is Alexander Dunn. 6. Who was honored with the prestigious Pen Pinter Prize 2024? Answer is Arundhati Roy. 7. Who has been awarded the prestigious Olympic Order by the International Olympic Committee, IOC? Answer is Abhinav Bindra. 8. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital in 2024? Answer is Samantha Harvey. 9. Where was the Teesta Praher military exercise conducted by the Indian Army? Answer is West Bengal. 10. Kumudini Lakhia, who passed away recently, was a renowned Kathak dancer. She was awarded with Padma Vibhushan in which year? Answer is 2025. 11. Where is the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit, Waves 2025, being held? Answer is Mumbai. 12. Where is the headquarters of the National Turmeric Board established? Answer is Nizamabad. 13. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Answer is Punjab. 14. Who has been awarded Fiji's highest honor Companion of the Order of Fiji in April 2025? Answer is Madhusudan Sai. 15. Who has been re-elected as the President of the New Development Bank, NDB? Answer is Dilma Rousseff. 16. Who received the prestigious IF World Space Award in 2024? Answer is S. Somnath. 17. Duro Makat has become the Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Serbia. 18. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, BCAS? Answer is Rajesh Nirvan. 19. Who has been awarded the Best Film Award at the IIFA Awards 2025? Answer is Lapta Ladies. 20. Which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympics 2024? Answer is USA. 21. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Answer is Sri Lanka. 22. Who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Answer is Bhuvnesh Kumar. 23. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Answer is Indonesia. 24. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Answer is Sanjay Malhotra. 25. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Answer is Guneri Inland Mangroves. 26. Which medal has Rudraksh Balasaheb Patil won in the men's 10-meter air rifle shooting event at the ISSF World Cup 2025? Answer is gold medal. 27. Where was 11th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting held? Answer is Brazil. 28. Which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? Answer is Amravati. 29. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. 30. Silakyara Tunnel, which will known as Baba Boknath Tunnel, is located in which state? Answer is Uttarakhand. 31. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Answer is Jasprit Bumrah. 32. Where is India's first quantum computing village has been established? Answer is Amravati. 33. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025? Answer is Amravati. 34. Who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government? Answer is Chiranjeevi. 35. Kechopalri wetland is the first Ramsar wetland site of which Indian state? Answer is Sikkim. 36. Which city has become home to India's first night safari? Answer is Lucknow. 37. Which has become the fifth most polluted country in the world according to World Air Quality Report 2024? Answer is India. 38. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council, ACC? Answer is Mohsin Naqvi. 39. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Answer is Thailand. 40. In which year the famous industrialist Ratan Tata, who passed away recently, was awarded with Padma Vibhushan? Answer is 2008. 41. Camur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer is Bihar. 42. Which state has received first prize in the category of Best State in National Water Awards 2023? Answer is Odisha. 43. Where was the Geological Survey of India, Geoscience Museum inaugurated in December 2024? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. 44. India's first digital museum Abhay Prabhavna has been set up in which state? Answer is Maharashtra. 45. Which of the following has become India's most valuable brand according to the Brand Finance Global 2025 report? Answer is Tata Group. 46. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is Nidhi Tiwari. 47. Jhajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary will be developed as a leopard safari in which state? Answer is Punjab. 48. Who has been recently appointed as the new Deputy Governor of RBI? Answer is Poonam Gupta. 50. Which country will host the SEA Games in 2027? Answer is Malaysia.